Okay, welcome to viewers. We will discuss some more properties of logarithm here. Let us recall the properties we discussed earlier. First one property, logarithm of the product of two numbers with respect to the base a means logarithm of the first number plus logarithm of the second number with respect to the base a. Similarly, second property was logarithm of the quotient of two numbers with respect to the base a means logarithm of m to the base a minus logarithm of n to the base a. Then again, the third property was logarithm of a to the base a equal to 1. Fourth property was logarithm of 1 equal to 0, right? Then we remember the common logarithm with respect to the base 10. They are called common logarithm. So log 10 equal to 1. Here we skip the base, that means base is 10 here. We call it common logarithm. Logarithm of 10 equal to 1. Actually, logarithm of 10 to the base 10 equal to 1. So it is common logarithm. So we skip writing the base. Simply we will write it as log 10 equal to 1. Now let us discuss one more additional property here. A to the power log x to the base a equal to x. This is one property. So let us prove this. Suppose you assume log x to the base a equal to suppose b here. Now in exponential form we will write it as a to the power b equal to x. So what is b here? This implies that b means log x to the base a equal to x. So this is how we can prove the property a to the power log x to the base a equal to x. Say for example 2 to the power log 3 to the base 2 equal to 3. Similarly 5 to the power log 10 base 5 equal to 10. Right? Another one property we will discuss here, log a to the base b equal to 1 by log b to the base a. Or you can write it as log a to the base b multiplied by log b to the base a equal to 1. So let us prove this property here. Let log a to the base b equal to suppose x. So in exponential form you will write it as b to the power x equal to a, or you can write it as a equal to b to the power x. Now let us raise a to the power of 1 by x. So right hand side you will also do the same thing, b to the power x to the power 1 by x. So right hand side on simplification this becomes b to the power x into 1 by x. X cancel each other, b. So a to the power 1 by x equal to b. Now in exponential logarithmic form you will write it as b to the base a equal to 1 by x. If you write this in logarithmic form you will write log b to the base a equal to 1 by x. Now what is x? X means log a to the base b. So we got log b to the base a equal to 1 by log a to the base b, or this you can simplify as log b to the base a multiplied by log a to the base b equal to 1. After cross multiplication you will get this, right? Now we'll try to use these properties in solving a few sums here. So let us start with question number 1. Simplify. Find log a to the base b multiplied by log b to the base c multiplied by log c to the base a. So let us do the first one, log a to the base b multiplied by log b to the base c multiplied by log c to the base a. Now let's assume that log a to the base b equal to, suppose, x. That means b to the power x equal to a, right? B to the power x equal to a. Then let log b to the base c equal to y, c to the power y equal to b. Similarly, let log c to the base a equal to z. That means a to the power z equal to c, right? Now you see b to the power x equal to a. This implies that what is b here? B means c to the power y to the power x equal to a. This implies that c to the power yx equal to a. Now what is c here? C means a to the power z, a to the power z to the power yx equal to a. Then after simplification you get a to the power z into y into x equal to a, or a to the power x y z equal to a to the power 1. That means x y z equal to 1, right? Now what is x here? X means log a to the base b multiplied by y means log b to the base c multiplied by z means log c to the base a equal to 1. So we will write it as answer is 1. Simplified answer is 1, right? Now let us try to solve the second one. Log 8 to the base 3 divided by log 16 to the base 9. Let us solve this. You see, log 8 to the base 3, this means log 2 cube to the base 3 divided by log 16 means 2 to the power 4 to the base 9. So after simplification you can write it as 3 log 2 to the base 3 divided by this, you can write it as 4 log 2 to the base 9. So you can write it as 3 log 2 to the base 3 divided by 4 log 2 to the base 9. 3 by 4. You can write it as log 2 to the base 3, and you can write it as log 9 to the base 2. Remember this property, log b to the base a equal to 1 by log a to the base b. So when you write the inverse, the base will be reversed, right? If you write the inverse of this, base will be reversed. 2 will be the base, right? So after simplification you can write it as 3 by 4 log 2 to the base 3 multiplied by log, this you can write 3 square to the base 2. 3 by 4 multiplied by log 2 to the base 3 multiplied by this, you can write it as 2 multiplied by log 3 to the base 2. So 3 by 4 multiplied by this 2 multiplied by log 2 to the base 3 multiplied by log 3 to the base 2. So this becomes 3 by 2, and this, you know, this product of this is 1. So answer is 3 by 2. This log b to the base a multiplied by log a to the base b equal to 1 from this property. So log b to the base a multiplied by log a to the base b equal to 1. So answer is 3 by 2. Now let us simplify the third one. See, log 8 to the base 5 divided by log 16 to the base 25 multiplied by log 10 to the base 1000. Now let us simplify this. Log 8 to the base 5 means 2 cube to the base 5. 16 means 2 to the power 4 to the base 25. Log 10 to the base 1000. Now you can simplify this as 3 log 2 to the base 5. This you can simplify as 4 log 2 to the base 25 multiplied by this you can write it as log 1000 to the base 10. If you write the inverse, the base will be reversed. Yeah, right? 10 will be the base if you write the inverse. Now log 1000 to the base 10. How can you simplify this? 1000 means 10 cube to the base 10. So you can write it as 3 log 10 to the base 10. 10 to the base 10 means 1. This is 3. So you got it as 3 log 2 to the base 5 divided by 4 log 2 to the base 25 multiplied by this is 1 by 3. So after simplification this becomes 3 is a 9. 9 log 2 to the base 5 divided by 4 multiplied by, if you write the inverse of this, you will get log 25 to the base 2. So 9 by 4 multiplied by log 2 to the base 5 multiplied by this you can write it as log 5 square to the base 2. 9 by 4 multiplied by log 2 to the base 5 multiplied by, you can write it as 2 multiplied by log 5 to the base 2. So let us simplify this. 9 by 4 into 2 into log 2 to the base 5 multiplied by log 5 to the base 2. So this becomes 9 by 2 into 1. Answer is 9 by 2. This is the simplified answer. Right? Now let us do this question number 2 here. If a square equal log x, b cube equal to log y, and a square by 2 minus b cube by 3 equal log c, find c in terms of x and y. So let us solve this. You are given that a square equal to log x, b cube equal to log y, and you are given that a square by 2 minus b cube by 3 equal to log c. Now find c in terms of x and y. Now let us simplify this. This if you take LCM is 6. So you got 3a square minus twice of b cube equal to log c. Right? So you can write it as 3a square minus twice of b cube equal to 6 log c. So 3a square means 3 log x minus twice of b cube log y equal to 6 log c. Right? So this becomes 3 log x minus 2 log y equal to 6 log c. Further simplification you can write it as log x cube minus log y square equal to log c to the power 6. Right? Now this you can write it as log x cube divided by y square equal to log c to the power 6. Remember this property, log m minus log n. This means log m by n. Considering the basis, say 10, common logarithm. We skip the writing base here. So base is same in both cases, suppose. So here you use this property. So difference is written as quotient of two numbers, x cube divided by y square. Now skipping the log, we can write it as x cube by y square equal to c to the power 6, right? So c equal to, you can write it as raising both side by 1 by 6 power x cube by y square to the power 1 by 6. This will be x to the power 3 1 by 6, y square 1 by 6. This becomes x to the power half and y to the power 1 by 3. So c equal to x to the power half means this is square root of x, y to the power 1 by 3 means cube root of y. So this is the simplified answer. C equal to square root of x divided by cube root of y. Now let us solve this question. Prove that log m to the base a divided by log m to the base ab equal to 1 plus log b to the base a. We have to prove that left hand side equal to 1 plus log b to the base a, right hand side. So let us solve the left hand side here. Log m to the base a divided by log m to the base ab. So we will write it as log m to the base a divided by log m to the base ab. Now this you can write it as log m to the base a divided by log m to the base ab, or if you write inverse of this, you can write it as 1 by log ab to the base m. That means it becomes log m to the base a multiplied by log ab to the base m. So let us try to solve this, simplify this. It becomes log m to the base a multiplied by, you can write it as log a to the base m plus log b to the base m. Now after further simplification, you will get it as log m to the base a multiplied by log a to the base m plus, you will write the distributive property a into b plus c, a into b plus a into c. So log m to the base a multiplied by log b to the base m. Now this becomes 1, right? There, this one is inverse of this, so it becomes 1 plus, here m and m, they will cancel each other, so it becomes log b to the base a. That means this is the right hand side, right? So we got the result. Now let's discuss question number 4 here. If log x by log y equal 3 by 2, log xy equal to 5, find x and y. So given that log x by log y equal to 3 by 2, then log xy equal to 5. Now what is log xy? Log xy means log x plus log y equal to 5. Here you got 2 log x equal to 3 log y, or log x equal to 3 by 2 log y. Now if you substitute this value in this equation, say this is equation number 1, so equation 1 implies that instead of log x, you will write it as 3 by 2 log y plus log y equal to 5. So if you take log y here common, you get 3 by 2 plus 1 equal to 5, or log y multiplied by this is 2, 5 by 2 equal to 5, or log y equal to 5, this becomes 2 by 5, right? 5 cancel each other, log y equal to 2, so log y equal to 2, right? So if log y equal to 2, so it is with respect to the base 10, log y to the base 10 equal to 2, 10 to the power 2 equal to y, y means 100, log y equal to 100, y equal to 100. Now substitute this value of y in this equation. You got log x equal to 3 by 2 into log y. What is log y? Log y is 2. So this 2 and 2 cancel each other, log x equal to 3. So what is x? X equal to 10 to the power 3. This is 1000. X equal to 1000. So thank you viewers for watching my video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. We will discuss a few more exercises on logarithm, and as of now we will wrap up the video.